Okay, so hello, good day everyone, and welcome to another video presentation about the law of exponent. Okay, so we have the following laws of exponent. So we have eight laws of exponent. So the first one is the product rule, the quotient rule, power of uh, power of a product rule. We also have the uh, power power rule. Another one we have the power of a quotient rule, the zero exponent, the negative exponent, then the last one is the fraction exponent rule. Okay, so let's have the example for the example number one, the laws number one. So ibig sabihin nito is the product rule. For example, we have number of 3, 1 over 2. Okay, then we have times 3 over 3 uh, is equal to what will be the product rule for this one. So, ibig sabihin yan is we're just going to copy the base. So, by the way, this one is the base. So, this one is the exponent. Ito, exponent to. Okay, so ano yung gawin natin yan using the product rule? So, we'll just going to copy the itong kanyang base. So, 3 lang siya. Then, what will happen to the exponent? So, using the product rule is we will going to add the exponent. So, 1 half, okay, plus 1 over 3. Okay, so using the fraction, so we will going to determine the LCD. What will be the LCD for this one? So to determine the LCD is ito, minimultiply natin itong 2 and 3, itong denominator. So that will be 6. Then we need to cross multiply ito. Okay, okay, so this will be 3. Ito, here's the sign addition. So lagyan natin addition. 3 plus this one, 2 times 1 give us 2. Okay, so what will be the final answer for this one using the product rule? So the product rule is 3, 5 over 6. So this will be our answer using the product rule. Okay, so another one is the quotient rule. So what's the quotient rule? So x m, so that's the exponent over x n is equal to m xm minus n. So n to so without this one without y. Okay, so this one is n. So x to the exponent of m minus n. So that will be the quotient rule. So example, we have number a over a. Okay. So for example, yung a is we have the exponent of 2. Then we have another of exponent of 1 half. Okay, so using the exponent rule, anong gagawin natin? Okay, so yung exponent rule is x. So that will be a. So yung gagawin natin is we will going to subtract the exponent using the quotient rule. So 2 minus 1 half. Okay. So what will be our answer? So using the constant rule, anong gagawin natin dito? So we will do the rule in fraction. So we will going to determine also the LCD. So what will be the LCD for that? Okay, so using diffraction, so ganito rin yung law, yung gantong law yung gusto gagamitin na yung LCD. But this one is addition. So but this one is subtraction. Subtraction to ah. So we're going to subtract 1 minus 1 half. Okay, so since 2, meron niyang something like 1 sa na denominator. Okay, so how we will going to determine the LCD? So ganun din. So yung LCD nito is the 2. Okay, so then we cross multiply ito. So what will be the answer for that? So that will be 4. Okay, so 2 times 2 will give us 4, then 1 times 1 will give us 1. So what will be our answer? So our answer is 3 over 2. So the final answer for this one is a to the exponent of 3 over 2. Okay, so ganun lang kadali. Okay, so we put it to the power of a brother power of a product rule. Okay, so yung ganito lang is distributed lang siya. So we're just going to distribute the power, the ano, using the power of a product rule. Okay, so given, for example, we have given 3b. Okay, so ito. So we have the exponent of 1/2. So using the power of a product, so i-distribute lang natin yan. Okay, so the final answer is 3 over 2, another base, then another 1/2. Okay, so this will be the final answer. Okay, so proceed to the number 4, power of power. So power of power is ano ginagawa dyan? So power of power is we're just going to multiply. Okay, for example, ito, just like this one. So multiply lang yan. For example, we have given of C5. Okay. Okay, for example, we have exponent of 1/3. Okay. So what will be the answer for this one? So we're just going to multiply yan. So naging C5 over 3. Okay, so ganun lang. So this will be the answer. Okay, so we'll to number uh 5. Power of a quotient rule. Okay, so power of a quotient rule is distribute lang natin yan. Okay, so using the quotient is division. Okay, for example, we have given 2 over y. Okay, then yung exponent niya is ay 2/3. So we have 2/3 like that. So using the power of quotient, okay, so i-distribute lang natin yung yung exponent. So that will be 2 over 2 over 3. Okay, then y 2/3. Okay, so ganyan lang. Then another laws is the zero exponent. So pag may x to the power of zero, for example, we have 2, like this one, 0, yung kanyang answer will be 1. Okay, so pero lang kadali. Okay, so another law is how do we negative exponent. So kung may negative exponent, for example, we have 2 negative 2/3. Di ba? Negative, this one is a negative 2/3 ay yung exponent niya. Negative exponent kasi nga negative yung exponent niya. So how do we ano natin to, how do we simplify for this one using the laws of exponent. So yung iniiwasan natin dito is yung merong negative na exponent. So para mawala yung negative is we will going to simplify or we will going to 1 over 2 negative 2/3. Okay, so this will be the final answer. Okay, so for number 8, okay, so for number 8 is a uh, fraction exponent rule. Okay, so paano to? So, for example, we have 3. Okay, so for example, we have 3 over 5. Okay, then we have also the example, negative 1 half. Okay, so paano to, how do we simplify this one? So using the fraction exponent is we will just going to uh, reciprocal yung ano, yung fraction. So then tatanggalin natin yung negative. Okay? So that will be 5 over 3 1 half. Okay? Yan. So this will be distributive. Okay, so this will be the ano power of a quotient rule. So apply natin power of the quotient rule. So yung 1 half is we will going to distribute, okay, to the numerator and denominator. So maging 5 over 3, then we have 1 half. 1 half, then also we have 1 half. Okay, so this will be the final answer here. Okay, then let's try to answer this one. So we have okay, let's answer this activity 1 to 5. Okay, so what will be the answer? So since so this one is a so okay. So for number 1 is product rule. Okay, so ano to? So what will be the answer? So the answer for this one is 6 over 3 is equal to x squared. Okay, so since ano siya, yung denominator niya is parehas 3. Okay, so i-copy lang natin yung denominator. So the law of a fraction. Then we're just going to add the numerator. So 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. Okay. So another example. So that will be 8. So since halos parehas nung nasa letter A, so we're just going to copy the denominator. Then we will just going to subtract the numerator. So the final answer is 8 uh 8 over 1 over 8 to the power of 1/3 or equal to 2. Bakit naging 2? Kasi that will be the cube root of the cube root of 8. So the cube root of 8 will give us 2 kasi magiging ano siya like this one, 8 cube root. Okay, yung cube root will give us 2. Okay, so that will be the answer. Okay, for number 3, for letter C, so ano to? So parang as the number 1. So product rule. Okay, using the product rule, anyway, pare-parehas yung kanyang base. So A, B, C. Okay, so that will be okay. So that will be okay. So addition lang to So we're just going to add. Okay, so this will be 3 over so ilan to 15 over 30. Okay, so what will be the answer? So ABC will give us A, B, C, ABC, okay, 10. Okay, so 30 divided by 10 will give us 10. Okay, so okay, so we proceed to the another example. Okay, so another example is, paano gagawin natin dyan? So, this will be distribute first. Okay, so, so how do we answer for that? So, magiging 4 over 3. Okay, so over m, so that will be 2 over 2. Okay, so ano yan? Okay, so using the quotient rule. Okay, so the quotient rule, so i-minus natin tong dalawa. Okay, so that will be m for third minus 2 over 2. Okay, okay, so what will be the answer? So using the, ilan yung LCD niya? LCD niya is 6. Okay, so m. Okay, so cross multiply natin to ah. Okay, so that will be 6. So yung operation is minus. So that will be 8 minus 6. Okay, so let's simplify. Okay, 8 minus 6 will give us m. Ilan to? So that will be 2 over 6. Okay, so kaya pa bang i-simplify to? Okay, so kaya pa. So, ano yung mga, how do you simplify that? 1 and 2. Other one, 2 times 3. Okay, so cancel out. So the final answer for this is 1 to the exponent of 1/3. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay, so last number is ito. So paano to? So same denominator. So that will be A 12. So yung denominator is 8, 9, 10, 11. So that will be 11. Okay, so ito. So this will be the final answer to that. Okay. So kindly answer this one. So exercise number 1 or 2. So direction using your knowledge of rational expression. Simplify the following. So you need to simplify using the laws of exponent. Okay. So thanks for watching.